Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And let's see what they sent us for a review. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. The final stretch is upon us. Santa Claus will be here down our chimneys in just a few hours. So, and of course, if you get gift cards and don't know what to buy somebody, you can always buy them this. Oh boy, here we go. This right there. Neewer. Alrighty. Neewer. Let's see what's inside here. And like I said, you guys can get it now. Just click the link down below. This is... what is this? Oh. Alright. I know what this is. This is a ring light. Like a tripod. Oh. Oh. Everything's falling out. I think that's it, yeah. Here we go. And here's the tripod you get. We'll set this up. Should be easy. Let's remove these like this to adjust. Here we go. Got my own studio up now. You guys can take this on the road with you. And you just want to show you guys before I set it down. Oops. One second. Oh boy, why is it crooked? There we go. Now we got it going. Pretty crazy, huh? Alright, now let's see what's in this box right here. I think this is like the RGB style. Oh, we got some goodies in here. We got the phone mount. We got one of those for photos. We got a remote control. Let's pull the tab. Manual. Tripod. Should be an easy one to set up, hopefully. Alright guys, we got it all set up. Bada boom, really cool. All the way down. And you can always take this, move it up and down and side to side, but I got it tightened up right here pretty good, so this is where I'm going to have my spot. But you can adjust it to whatever height you want it. There's a couple of things got to adjust here and here. Whoop. There we go. And then you got control right there also. So in case you lose your remote, there's always that there. That's always a good thing to have. And then, like I said, Here we go. All you gotta see is light. There's auto. You can dim it. Make it dark. Let me shut off the lights. There we go. And that's super bright. That's on the max. There's the button. Being stubborn. Haha. Here we go. Trying to get the RGB going. There's off. Hold on. There we go. It's this button right here. Make it dark, brighter. You can see it on there. Purple, blue. That's pretty cool. Teal. Green. Red. Whoa. Kind of shoots the green and the white. That's really cool. There we go. That's really cool. We got the purple and the blue. You guys can see it. This is a nice one, guys. Easy. There we go. Got multiple flashing. And that one. Whoa. Got the strobe light. That is cool. That one's even cooler. Look at that. It's like a circus. It's like a little light show we got going on here. My neighbor's probably wondering what is going on. But it's alright. They don't need to know. Or do they? Go right in the ring. It's like a black hole. Definitely check them out though, guys. I'll leave the link down below. Here we go. Right in there. Out. Shining. Here's another one. It's like the ring of death. That is cool. Right through. Here we go. That's something funky. Ooh, Christmassy. Yep. Merry Christmas to everybody. Hopefully you guys get a lot of good stuff from Santa Claus. Like I said, make sure you get put your cookies and milk out. Get them ready. And I'm ready for the new year though. Definitely get this year over with. There we go, right through. That is cool. Gotta love technology these days. I don't think they had this stuff when I was a kid, though. You guys are lucky. There we go. There's normal. I think we're at the end. It's like that movie Ring or James Bond coming out. And back to the original colors. Green. Probably that one now. Red. Yep. We made it through. That one's trippy. That one's pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. Neewer. Link will be down below. Until then, Merry Christmas to everybody. I probably will see you tomorrow with another video. And then, who knows. But be safe out there. Have a good night. Stay warm. And be careful out there.